Good morning, class. How are you?
I'm very fine.
How was your morning? Okay, so today we are going to look at web technology. Today in web technology, we are going to look at lists. Are we together? But before we start our lesson today, I'm going to call the roll call. So, Billy,
Present.
Langat,
Present.
Victor,
Present.
Hezron,
Present.
Nina, Ambrose, Duncan.
Present.
Today is a good day. I seems like everyone is in class today. Keep it up, class. So, first of all, we are going to talk about tags used in lists. Who can tell me what they know about lists? Langat.
Lists in web technology is the numbering.
Thank you. Nice one. Dante.
Lists are categorized into two. We have ordered lists and unordered lists.
Thank you. Have ordered and unordered. So when we talk about ordered in HTML, we use tags. Are we together?
Yes.
So tags used for list is li. Are we together?
Yes.
For ordered, we have OL. And for unordered, we have UL. Up to there, any question? So, I want us to try and come up with a web HTML program that will print out this list. For example, class attendance. Okay, class requirements. Let's say that. So we have one, we have books, right?
Yes.
Books. Number two, we have pen. Then under pen we have black pen, blue pen, red, and green. Then number three, we have, what else do we need in our class? What do you require in order to go to class? The time, ruler. Another thing,
Full stops.
full stops. Okay, so we want to write, I want you as an individual, since I have taught, in our last class, we discussed about the stems and the stems of how to write a HTML program. So with your friend, could you please try and write a program that you think will give us this and share it with your neighbor. Langat, are you writing?
Yes.
Okay. In 2 minutes. Okay, back to class. Has your neighbor told you of an idea of how to write this? Class, are we together here? So first of all, we start by interpreting this, right? Duncan has said we have the whole thing is a list, right? But Duncan has told us that we have ordered and unordered. Which section do you think is ordered and which one is unordered? So number 1, 2, 3, 4 is ordered and these ones are not ordered, right? Okay. So could we let's write it together. So first of all, we have the HTML, right? Tag. Then next we have the head, or sometimes you can just go straight to the body. Okay, so while writing, we'll start by writing the order, right? I want you to talk like that, right? Then we go to when you write order, you have to specify the type. So you type would be 1 because we are writing from 1. But if you wanted it to be in Roman, it will be in Roman. If you wanted A or to B, then you can also write start. Like where do you want the numbering to start? Yeah, you can decide you want the numbering to start from 4. So, but there we want it to start from 1. So start will be equals to 1. Then like that, right? Yes?
Capital letters are sensitive.
In our last class, we said HTML is insensitive. It means whether you write it in capital or in small letters, it will still read it as the same. Any other question? Okay. So we go to books. So when writing after here, you have to start with list so that the compiler will know that it is a list, right? So you say list, then books. You close the tab. You continue like this until you get to, okay, let's just write it. List 10. Then when we get there, you see that you have black pen, blue pen, but it is unordered. So we'll introduce this tab, unordered list. Are we together up to there?
Yes.
So we go to so under here we will specify if you want bullets or squares or dots. So type, we will say dots. Then we close here. Then it will be list. We repeat this. Understand? Then we go black. Then this will continue until green. After that, we will close the UL and the unordered tab. You get it? Then we will continue. Like you don't write this again. You don't write the ordered tab again because at the end you will end with it. Are we together?
Yes.
Any question? You have understood?
Yes.
So it means that when you get this one in the exam, you will be good.
Yes.
Okay. I thank you. And in our next class, I want to give an assignment. I want you to go and look at buttons and radio buttons. Are we together? So that when we come next, we will have a round table discussion on how we present them in web pages. Are we together? Up to there, have a nice day.